Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD, and on the right we have the PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH Carbon Monohydride. Let's dive into the world of dash cams and see which one comes out on top. Alright, let's talk about video quality, because after all, that's what matters the most when it comes to dash cams. The DKK Dash Cam boasts a 170-degree wide-angle 1080p front camera, capturing all three lanes of the road. And with its 720p HD waterproof rear camera, you won't miss a thing. On the other hand, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam takes it up a notch with its quad FHD 1920 by 1080p camera setup. It not only records the front and sides of your vehicle, but also includes two cabin cameras that can freely change the recording angles. Talk about 360-degree coverage. Both dash cams offer impressive video quality, but if you want that extra level of coverage, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam takes the win in this category. Now let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The DKK Dash Cam features a WDR function that automatically adjusts the brightness, capturing clear road conditions even in low light. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. But hold on, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam steps up its game with an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights on its cabin cameras. This means you can capture stunning images even in pitch-black spaces at night. Say goodbye to those blurry night recordings. When it comes to night vision, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam takes the lead, ensuring your safety around the clock. Dash cams are not just about capturing footage. They can offer some handy additional features too. The DKK Dash Cam comes with loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest video when the SD card is full. Plus, it has an accident lock function that keeps important videos protected from being overwritten. Meanwhile, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam also offers loop recording and emergency accident locks. But what sets it apart is the built-in GPS, which allows you to precisely pinpoint your location, speed, and routes in real time. It's like having a personal navigator right in your dash cam. In terms of additional features, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam wins with its integrated GPS, giving you that extra peace of mind on the road. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The DKK Dash Cam comes in at just $99, which is a steal considering its features and video quality. You won't find a better deal than this. On the other hand, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam has a higher price tag of $189. But remember, with that price, you're getting a 4-channel setup and built-in GPS. It's all about the value you're looking for. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your budget and what features are most important to you. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD is praised for its wide-angle lens, user-friendly interface, loop recording feature, and GPS tracking system. Reviewers believe it is an essential tool for daily commutes and road trips, providing peace of mind and added safety on the road. On the other hand, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH is highly recommended for its 360-degree coverage, clear night vision with infrared lights, adjustable camera positions, and built-in GPS. Customers appreciate its design, quality, easy setup, and value for money. Ultimately, the choice between these two dash cams depends on individual preferences and priorities. And there you have it, folks. A comparison between the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD and the PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH Carbon Monohydride. Both dash cams have their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and helpful buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where smart buyers like you make smarter choices. Until next time, drive safe and stay smart.